this tutorial, we will know about Feature Manager Tree. Feature Manager Tree basically shows the tools or the commands which we have used while making an object. We can find this Feature Manager Tree in the leftward of our working space. The complete block shows this Feature Manager Tree. In this tree, there are some options. The first option is Feature Manager Design Tree. The second is Property Manager. You can change the properties from here. Configuration Manager, Dimension Expert, and Display Manager. So, to understand the concept of this design tree, let us open up a drawing file. Go to this open. In your project files, we have created a 3D bolt. So you can open this bolt part from here and click open. And let me select this plain white to have a better view and zoom in on this. Now in this bolt we have used certain commands, and which command we have used, we can find those commands in this design tree. First we have used this Boss Extrude. It is showing Boss Extrude 1, and when I click on this, it highlights the part that this hexagonal part is created using this Boss Extrude 2. And if I select the second part, it will show this bottom part of this. Similarly for other parts such as helix and swept cut, etc. It shows which command we have used. In this, the first option we have is the name and display state of this bolt. Currently it is showing that this is a 3D bolt and by default is a default state. After that we have history, sensors, annotation, then material. Currently it is highlighting that material is not specified. So to specify or assign a material to this, we can select this material, then right click, and we have options such as edit material, config material, manage favorites, and list of some materials: plain carbon steel, alloy steel, ABS, malleable cast iron, etc. So to customize our menu, we have option for customize menu, and if we want some more material for this, we can select this edit material, and another dialog box window will open. So I click on this arrow and we can see there is a list of materials by SolidWorks software such as steel, iron, aluminum, copper, titanium alloys, etc. We can also find rubber, silicon, wood, and if I click on this arrow, it will show more specific material in this, that is 1023 carbon steel sheet, etc. And similarly for iron alloys, we can find ductile iron, SN, grey cast iron, etc. So if I select this carbon steel, and on the rightward side it shows all the properties of this carbon steel. It shows that elastic modulus, Poisson's ratio, tensile strength, yield strength. These are all the mechanical properties. It shows their values and its units. Next option in this we have is appearance. In this appearance, it shows the color for this. Then crosshatch, custom settings, etc. So select any material and click apply and close, and we see that this carbon steel material is now applied to this sheet. Next option in this we have datum planes. In SolidWorks we have 3 reference datum plane. These are default datum planes by the software. Select this front plane, it is highlighting this front plane, then top plane and right plane. These all 3 planes are always perpendicular to each other. Then it specifies the origin, and it is highlighting this origin on this point by this orange color. That is the origin of this sketch or the working space. And then we have all the commands. We have Boss Extrude, Helix, Cut Sweep, etc. Now if you want to make some changes in these commands, suppose I want to increase or decrease the length. I want to change the sketch or extrude values. So we will have to go to this design tree, click on this, and we will find some options. First option, edit feature, edit sketch, surface, rollback. So edit feature will edit this extrude command. Edit sketch, in we can edit the sketch which we have created. Then surface is a type of temporarily delete. Then rollback, if you want to hide this, we can hide it from here. Then zoom, normal to, and here is appearance. If I click on this, we can assign some color to this, its appearance. We just have to select a color and the window for color will be open. We just have to select any color and we see the color is changed now. Okay, I want the default color and click OK. And if you want to delete any of this feature, we just have to select. This time we have to do right click on this, and by right clicking we will find some more options, command parent child, and we will find this delete option, then save selection, create new folder, etc. Another important feature in this, we can find that there is a line, this horizontal line in dark color. So what is the advantage of this line? If I take the cursor on this line, we see this sign of a hand. I pick this line by hold down the left click and drag this to upward. We see we can drag this line on upward, and now I'll leave this click. What we find that the fillet tool which we have used is now hidden, or it is temporarily deleted. And similarly, I can pick this arrow and drag more, and this time the fillet tool will be gone. Similarly, we can also do it for cut sweep. Pick this arrow and drag this, and this cut sweep will be hidden or temporarily delete. So with the use of this hand tool, we can find that which command use which type of features. So to undo this, we can take this line and drag this to once again downward. And also we can interchange our commands. Suppose I want to interchange this fillet. I want this fillet to above than this. So just select this fillet to and drag this on the upward. Okay, let me try it once again. And this way we can see we have done this. Fillet 2 is now up above on this, and that is fillet 1. So this is the way we use this feature manager tree.